everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to use defensive driving for the driving test. Believe it or not, when you're doing your driving test, defensive driving is a must. It will help you pass. And I'm going to be going over 6 things that you can do to make sure that you're using defensive driving for your driving test. Let's get right into the video. Number 1 is look far ahead. Now, you should basically be looking as far ahead as you can possibly look. So as I'm driving right now, if it was on a driving test, I would look far ahead down the road. I'm not talking about down in front of the car. I'm not talking about slightly in front of the car, a few feet in front of the car. I'm talking about far ahead. Here's the thing, if you're looking ahead, everything that's happening directly in front of your car will also be in your peripheral vision. So you're gonna see it anyways. So look far ahead, it's gonna completely help you with your defensive driving and hopefully pass the driving test. Number 2 is anticipate other drivers' actions. Now, you don't want to assume things about other drivers. You want to anticipate what they are likely to do. If someone has their right signal on, okay, I'm not going to assume that they're going to turn right and make an action thinking that they will certainly turn right. Instead, I'm going to anticipate that they are likely going to turn right. Maybe I'm going to inch forward to get ready to maneuver as if they were turning right, but I don't actually make the driving maneuver until they actually turn right. So you don't want to assume what they're going to do. You want to anticipate what they're going to do. Huge difference, because anticipating is knowing what they are likely to do. Assuming is, knowing that they're actually going to do it, and that's two totally different things. Number 3 is adjust according to the road conditions. So if you're driving on the driving test and it starts snowing, it gets sunny, it starts raining, it gets foggy, it starts hailing, you see a patch of ice, you encounter a dirt road, you have to adjust. And most of the time, the adjustments are very simple. Slow down, increase your following distance, and sort of make your maneuvers smoother. So your turns, your lane changes, pulling over, moving off, all that stuff has got to be a lot smoother, okay? Number 4 is have a safety cushion. Now, that includes all around your car, not just in front of your car. So a lot of the times, I will recommend that you maintain a good, safe following distance, which you definitely need to do. I'm gonna move because this lighting is really, I'm trying to find some good lighting. It's just not working, but we'll figure it out. There we go, that's a lot better. So, but there's a stop sign right here. I can't pull over right here. Anyways, a lot of the time, I'll tell you need to have a good, safe following distance, and that's half the battle. But the other half the battle is a safety cushion everywhere else around your vehicle. So it's not only about in front of your vehicle, it's about all around your vehicle. So what that means is behind your car, on the sides of your car, you need to have space all around your car. That will allow you to have a margin for error in case you need to swerve, in case someone else swerves. It gives you a little bit of a safety cushion, literally, that you can work with. Number 5 is communicate with other drivers. You need to communicate with other drivers. It will help you remain defensive as an overall driver. So what you're gonna do is eye contact is a form of communication. Waving. So if you are at the stop sign at the same time as another driver, and you're in a position where both of you can go. Let's say you approach a stop sign and you're both unsure as to who has the actual right of way, right? Or you think you have the right of way, but they think they have the right of way, right? In that situation, you need to communicate. So you can tell them, go ahead, or you can say, thank you, I'm gonna go, thank you very much, right? I would recommend on a driving test that you let them go. You let them go. If you're both trying to go, let them go. You don't want to risk getting T-boned because you're going to fail automatically. So communicate with other drivers. Last but not least is number 6, which is completely and absolutely focus. You need to completely focus. Now, it is super important for the driving test to make sure you're absolutely focused on the road, because your maneuvers need to be pretty much as perfect as they can be, as perfect as you can make them be, basically. But in addition, you need to focus because you need to look at the road. You need to be focused on the maneuvers of yourself and other drivers around you. And if you can focus, that's half the battle of defensive driving, is being aware and anticipating what other drivers might do. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do to use defensive driving for your driving test. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.